My people, you don't know the thing, you don't know some new link there, you know, from new link production, you know, people. And right now, that the morning, I rise up, I'm just saying, I want to give Jah thanks for life, you know what I mean? Give thanks for everything, because without Jah, you don't know, nothing is possible, people. So I say, who Jah bless, I say no, man. Alright, people, big up on yourself. Well, viewers and subscribers, right about now, people, differently now. I have a story I really want to talk about, people. You understand? Big up yourself, my roast out, I do a crow. Don't know the thing. You understand, people? So now I have a story where I really want to talk about, and nobody even know about them thing, people, but you don't know how the thing go. New Link always have some story where people reach out to it with, when we do a research and find out so the story legit and real, people, we are going to share it with, you know. Well, it's about some Jamaican men, people. You understand? From Ina Senton in Jamaica, people, who make a trip over to Cuba. And them said this happened in September of last year, people. Them said these men, them go over Cuba, people. So them a go dentist go fix them teeth, 4 men. But deep inside, people, that wasn't the real reason why them go. But you know, so them use that as the sham. Well, people, it is said that something go down where police do get involved and a search was lead onto the man, them people. And the police, them search, them find a large sum of cash with one of these men. Over 100,000 US dollar. When it comes to boom and do some more search, people them find drugs. You know what I mean? In Cuba, if many people don't know, it's a very strict country when it comes on to drugs, because it is a communist country. You know what I mean? So, for one ganja spliff in Cuba, you may look into 10 years in prison. No joke about it. People, well, these men, people, right now, people have been saying, from them get caught up in a September, only one time they do hear from one of these men by a phone call, and it was like for 2 minutes. So no family member in Jamaica, nobody don't hear nothing about these men from September. Now it's 2020, and people, what people are saying is they would love to go over to Cuba, you know what I mean, to visit and so on, go on and check out, but deep inside they are really scared to go over there. And these are 2 photos of 2 of these men. You understand? One of these men now, people, the one we will see in the ad, people, they say he did also have a Jota bus in Jamaica. And man come and take and gone with the Jota bus. Big Jota bus he did have. The other man, we see people, them say him did have 3 cars in Jamaica. And man come and take the 3 cars, them gone. So, people been wondering if this is a lead to something where bigger than what they expect. You know what I mean, people? But deep inside, Cuba is not a place to be played. And I just want Jamaicans to know this. You understand? There are certain countries out there. It's, you know them really strict. On have to be careful. You don't say, man, want to go eat them food, man, want to go do them do drugs thing or whatever want to do. But in the end, when them hold on up, me I tell you now, it not easy, it not pretty over there. No joke about it. So these men, people, may be looking up to 15 to 30 years in prison. No joke about it. And it can even be more a life sentence, as I tell you. That is Cuba. No joke, people. Well, viewers and subscribers, all a new link can say, right? These men right now, them family, friends, everybody is so worried, because people do reach out to me and they must say, boy, new link, we are telling the truth. We don't know what to do. We don't know what, if we use social media, we don't know what to do, but they are scared to go into Cuba. You know what I mean, people? Nobody not hear about them. I said, this is from September. They man of us. Boy, me I tell the viewers and subscribers, some things can happen out there sometimes we just don't know. And in the end, people do want better. Everybody want a better life, a better solution. But you don't know the thing of people. You know what I mean? So, boy, let me can say, any more information I get on this thing, people, because people still are trying to conduct and see if they can reach to them in certain ways without visiting Cuba, you know what I mean? But you don't know the thing of people. So once I get any more information on this, I definitely going to share it with you. And you know what I mean, people, before I close up, I just want to say, enough respect and enough love to each and everyone who support me willing thing. You understand, people, and it's a blessing, as me tell you see, in a life, if you have a clean heart, you're going to make it no matter what, people. You know what I mean? Anything you do in a life, make sure you have a clean heart, a clean mentality, and no negativity. And remember, me always telling the people, put Jah first at everything. Put the Almighty first, and everything is possible for you. You know what I mean? Never left him out yet, people. You get me? And try to be on a better road. And don't well, you know what I mean, people, cause in this world, people, there's so much negativity out there. We just have to be careful, and that's why me, to be honest, people, I try to keep less people around my surrounding. You know what I mean? I think the closest people should be around my surrounding is like my mother, my father, and you know what I mean, close family. You know what I mean? Not even certain cousins, to be honest with the people, because in this world, people are just ain't real. And being honest to your people are so fake, they ain't gotta be careful of them. You know what I mean? So I want can tell you, I want everybody to learn this, whether they are Jamaica, whether they are foreign over this, so be careful of the people and who you are around your surroundings. They may come very nice, baby, come very great. They may try forcing themselves until they are their friend. They might this and that, but deep inside, be careful, same way. And so then I say, have 1 foot in and 1 foot out. You know what I mean? Basically, people use that saying in relationship, but it can be in different terms where you can really use that thing. So I just want people to know about understanding. Say, listen me. You understand? Be careful of the people. It's just in similar ways where these men can get caught up with their own friends, can set them up in the people. You know what I mean? Because this can be a thing where they've been doing for a very long time. And in the end, they have friends who just got bad-minded of what they are doing, their success, what they're achieving. Because one of these men own 3 cars plus have house. The other man have a big Jota bus plus have house and thing. People will grudge you for that. They will envy you. You know what I mean? And be careful. Sometimes you have to be careful of the things you talk out your mouth to. Because you may talk certain things to people and you think these people are real and they are legit, but deep inside they are not. They are the one who will soul you out, who will tear you down, who will chop you down. So in the end, all I can say is my people, whether they are Trinidad, Jamaica, anywhere they, just be careful, people. You don't know the thing of my viewers and my subscribers. This is Newlink from Newlink Production, and we say attacking. You don't know people, enough love, enough respect, and thanks to the love, thanks to the support again. Remember to do subscribe. When you do subscribe, please hit that notification bell icon so as Newlink drop a video, you get them. And if you already hit that notification bell icon, please do recheck that notification thing again and tap all notifications. So basically, many people been saying they subscribe and they hit that bell icon, but they're still not seeing the videos when they're dropped. But you have to check it back because YouTube has changed up their thing and there are 3 options now. So hit the one that said all notification. You don't know the thing of people, enough love, enough respect, thanks to the support again. And I do said, as I said, once I get any more information based on that I just publish about these men in Cuba, I will definitely share it to you. So you don't know the thing of people, enough love, enough respect, peace, respect. I'm out.